Defence Minister Rajnath Singh emphasized the growing importance of Indian shipyards in safeguarding national interests amid an increasingly complex maritime security environment on Sunday. He made the remarks during his visit to Goa Shipyard Limited, a day ahead of the commissioning of the pollution control vessel Samudra Pratap into the Indian Coast Guard on January 5, 2026. Samudra Pratap is the first of two PCVs being constructed by GSL, underscoring India's push for self-reliance in defence manufacturing. Singh stressed that Atmanirbharta in defence is a strategic necessity, not a choice, and praised GSL for strengthening indigenous design, absorbing advanced technologies, and ensuring the timely delivery of platforms to the armed forces. He noted that warships are not merely technological assets, but symbols of public trust and operational readiness. As India emerges as a proactive maritime power in the Indian Ocean region, Singh urged shipyards to adopt state-of-the-art technologies, including AI-enabled maintenance and cyber-secure systems. He also welcomed GSL's role in defense exports, aligning it with the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047. Highlighting evolving challenges at sea, Singh said India is facing a rise in non-traditional threats such as narcotics trafficking, illegal fishing, human trafficking, environmental crimes, and grey zone challenges alongside conventional security concerns. In this context, he described Indian shipyards as critical enablers of maritime security. Calling GSL a pillar of India's defence ecosystem, the Defence Minister said vessels built by Indian shipyards for the Navy and Coast Guard are floating symbols of India's sovereignty, reflecting the nation's presence, capability, and resolve in the high seas. Senior defence officials and GSL leadership were present during the visit.